You need to see this. Welcome to the amazing world of YouTube, where you can share your videos with millions of people across the globe. Whether you want to show off your skills, grow your business, teach your audience, or just have fun, YouTube is the perfect platform for you. But how do you create and manage your own channel? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. You'll learn the basic steps and benefits of becoming a YouTube creator. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Are you ready? Let's go. Step 1. Create a Google account. The first step to becoming a YouTube creator is to sign up for a Google account. It's free, easy, and it unlocks many other Google features like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Photos, and more. All you have to do is go to google.com and click on Sign In at the top right corner. Then click on Create Account and follow the instructions. You can either use your existing email address or create a new one with Gmail. Step 2. Create a YouTube channel. Now that you have a Google account, you're ready to create your YouTube channel. This is where you can upload videos, customize your profile, interact with viewers, and more. It's easy to do. Just go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Then click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Next, you'll need to pick a name for your channel. You can use your own name or a brand name depending on what you want to achieve with your channel. Finally, you'll be able to add some basic information about your channel, such as a description, keywords, and links to your website or social media accounts. Step 3. Customize your channel. Now it's time to make your channel stand out from the crowd. You can do that by adding some visual elements, such as a profile picture, a banner image, and a channel trailer. These elements show your channel's identity and personality, and they also grab the attention of visitors. You can also organize your videos into playlists and sections, which help you sort your content and make it easier for viewers to find what they want. Step 4. Create and upload videos. The most important part of starting a YouTube channel is creating and uploading videos. This is how you communicate with your audience and share your message. To create videos, you need some equipment such as a camera, a microphone, a tripod, and some editing software. You can start with what you have or use your smartphone as a camera. You don't need to spend a lot of money on these items. Your creativity and skills matter more than your equipment. To upload videos, go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Then, click on the Create button at the top right corner and select Upload Video. You can choose a file from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload window. While your video is uploading, you can add some details about it, such as a title, a description, tags, thumbnails, subtitles, and more. These details help you make your video more searchable and appealing to viewers. Step 5. Promote your channel. Creating and uploading videos is not enough to grow your YouTube channel. You also need to promote your channel and attract more viewers who may not know about your content. Here are some ways to promote your channel. Share your videos on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, etc. Collaborate with other YouTube creators who have similar or complementary niches or audiences. Engage with other YouTube communities by commenting, liking, subscribing, and participating in live chats or premieres. Create a website or a blog where you can embed your videos and provide more information or value to your viewers. Optimize your videos for Google search by using SEO techniques such as keyword research, title tags, meta descriptions, etc. Step 6. Monetize your channel. One of the benefits of starting a YouTube channel is that you can earn money from it. Here are some ways to monetize your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program, also called YPP, which allows you to earn money from ads on or before your videos. To join YPP, you need to meet some requirements such as 500 subscribers, 3,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, and at least 3 uploads in the last 90 days. For YouTube Shorts, you need 3 million short views in the last 90 days. You also need to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. You can also sell merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, stickers, etc. that feature your channel's logo, name, catchphrase, or design. You can use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop to create and sell your merchandise. You can offer memberships, which allow your viewers to pay a monthly fee to access exclusive perks, such as badges, emojis, bonus content, live chats, etc. To offer memberships, you need to meet some requirements, such as 500 subscribers, be part of YPP, live in an eligible country, channel cannot be made for kids, and you must be at least 18 years old. You can also receive donations or tips from your viewers who want to support your channel. You can use features like Super Chat or Super Stickers, which allow your viewers to pay to highlight their messages in live chats or premieres. You can also use platforms like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee to receive donations from your fans. Lastly, you can get sponsorships from brands or companies that want to promote their products or services to your audience. You can negotiate the terms and conditions of the sponsorship deal directly with the sponsor or use platforms like YouTube, Brand Connect, or Grapevine Village to find and connect with sponsors. Step 7. Analyze your channel. The last step of starting a YouTube channel is analyzing your channel's performance and finding ways to improve it. You can use YouTube Analytics, which is a tool that shows you various metrics and reports about your channel, such as views, watch time, revenue, audience retention, engagement, demographics, etc. You can also use other tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to get more insights and suggestions for your channel. By analyzing your channel's data, you can learn what works and what doesn't work for your channel. You can find out your strengths and weaknesses, your opportunities and threats, and your best practices and mistakes. You can also discover what your audience loves and hates about your content. Based on this information, you can make smart decisions and adjustments to optimize your channel's growth and success. Starting a YouTube channel has many benefits for both personal and professional purposes. Here are some of them. You can express yourself creatively and share your passions with others. You can build an audience and a community around your niche or topic. You can earn money from ads, sponsorships, merchandise sales, memberships, donations, etc. You can learn new skills and improve your communication abilities. You can collaborate with other creators and expand your network. To make the most of these benefits, here are some tips for starting and growing your YouTube channel. Know your purpose. Have a clear idea of why you want to start a YouTube channel and what kind of content you want to create. Know your audience. Research who are your target viewers and what are their needs, interests, preferences, and challenges. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly and stick to a schedule that works for you and your audience. Be original. Create content that is unique, valuable, entertaining, or informative for your viewers. Be engaging. Interact with your viewers by asking questions, responding to comments, asking for feedback, etc. Be patient. Don't expect to get millions of views overnight. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. In conclusion, starting a YouTube channel is a fun and rewarding experience that anyone can try. You just need to follow some basic steps, such as creating a Google account, creating and customizing your channel, creating and uploading videos, promoting your channel, monetizing your channel, and analyzing your channel. But you also need to have passion, creativity, dedication, and strategy to make your channel successful. By doing so, you can enjoy the benefits of sharing your content with the world and earning money from it. So don't wait and start your YouTube channel today. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to start your own YouTube channel. If you did, please like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.